Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video we got the F15 here and we have an issue. The issue is the handlebars here. It's pretty chewed up, so let me get you guys a little bit close so you can actually see what's going on here, to understand what actually happened. It's actually from this angle, so from the back side here. I'm not sure if you could see, this thing is you know, it's pretty chewed up over here. So I'm not sure what happened, if it's the nails or whatever, but this happens to a lot of people. I'm not sure whether it's the part that's, you know, too brittle or whatever, but this is an issue that's been happening. So if this is something you're facing, I got a product here that might be able to fix it. So I've been watching a lot of Amazon reviews to, you know, see that it's actually working out for a lot of people. So I hope this works out for us too. So we have to open this up. Unfortunately, I don't have anything sharp. All right, let's tear this up. And this is supposed to just snap in. So, and there's 3 of them because we don't have one on the driver's side, so you don't need one for that. But they're wrapped up pretty nice, and they're just plastic like this. There's matte on one side, and there's, you know, thing on the other. All you do is, you know, line this up and snap it in. It's pretty flexible, so all you do is put this in and just push this in place, and it should fit in pretty nice and snug, and it does. So this is kind of what it looks like. It looks very seamless, and it looks like as if nothing ever happened, you know. The color matches the rest of the place here, so it's pretty nice. And I think there were different colors and stuff available too, so you could definitely check that out. I'll leave the link in the description. Okay, literally right after I finished the video, I opened the other one up, and inside it, this is what I find. And I was supposed to get 3, right? But there's only this one and that one. This one was fine. I don't even know what's on this thing. It's sticky and gooey. It's on this side too. Maybe somebody tried putting this on like with like glue and stuff, and then they returned it. I don't know what happened. But yeah, one is missing, and this is the condition of the other. So yeah, I'll keep you guys tuned. I'm gonna order another set and return this, and I'll keep you guys tuned with what happens.